For most car enthusiasts, the dream of owning a Porsche 911 GT3 Touring remains just that, a dream. With a price tag soaring past $222,500, it's nearly double what you'd pay for a base 911 Carrera. But what if you could transform your entry-level Carrera into a track-inspired beast without that sky-high cost? That's where Techart steps in. Techart, the world-renowned Porsche tuner, has just unveiled a stunning range of styling and performance upgrades specifically designed for the 992.2 generation 911 Carrera. Whether you're driving a base Carrera or a slightly sportier GTS, this kit offers supercar looks and real performance enhancements, all while keeping things tasteful and refined. Let's start with the aesthetic transformation. The kit includes a GT3-style twin-scoop frunk lid, vented fenders, a sleek rear ducktail spoiler, front splitter, side skirts, and an aggressive rear diffuser. The look is unmistakably performance-focused and gives your Carrera a seriously upgraded presence. If you're worried about standing out at your next cars and coffee meet, don't be. This kit will have heads turning. One of the standout features is the option between GRP and exposed carbon fiber materials. While GRP offers a more cost-effective route, the carbon fiber version is where Techart's craftsmanship truly shines. Choose between matte or gloss finishes, and you're suddenly adding a layer of motorsport-inspired visual drama that's hard to beat. The frunk lid, in particular, evokes memories of the legendary 911 GT2. Techart even includes a nose lift system, something you won't find in Porsche's own configurator, to prevent that beautiful carbon from scraping against speed bumps or driveways. It's a subtle but essential feature for anyone investing in such a high-quality upgrade. Step inside, and the personalization continues. Techart offers carbon trim, custom Alcantara, and fine leather options, all with color-coded stitching. You can even match the steering wheel's switch panel bolts and drive mode selector to your exterior paint. The level of detail here rivals Porsche's own exclusive manufacturer options, and sometimes exceeds it. But this isn't all show and no-go. Techart delivers real performance improvements, especially where it counts, under the hood. The base Carrera's 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six sees a massive bump thanks to Techart's Techtronic power kit. Output jumps from 388 horsepower to 497 horsepower, and torque surges from 332 lb-ft to 406 lb-ft. That's a serious gain, putting the base Carrera firmly into Carrera S and even early GT3 territory. It doesn't stop there. For those who opted for the Carrera S or GTS, similar tuning kits are on the way, with potential outputs well above 500 horsepower. And to back it up, Techart also offers suspension upgrades and a sports exhaust system to sharpen handling and deliver the auditory drama every 911 deserves. Many 911 fans were slightly let down when the 992.2 update didn't bring significant engine upgrades to the lower-tier models, focusing instead on hybrid tech for the GTS. Techart's tuning options fill that gap brilliantly, giving enthusiasts a way to unlock the full potential of their Porsche without waiting for the next major factory upgrade. In essence, Techart has found the sweet spot, offering 911 Carrera owners the chance to elevate their ride in both form and function, while keeping true to Porsche's legendary DNA. Whether it's for track days, spirited canyon runs, or just the ultimate garage art, this is how you turn your base Carrera into something truly extraordinary and uniquely yours.